Hello everyone. Today let's try and solve the problem of this HP laptop. According to customer, as you can see, whenever he turns the laptop on, the laptop displays fan error. That is, as you can read here, the system has detected that a cooling fan is not operating correctly. So for that, turn it off first. After turning it off, turn the laptop upside down, remove these screws. One screw here. This screw is right first, then the one. Here there are two screws. Just like that is the camera. As you can see here, there are 4 screws. After removing all the screws, just open it and try to open from here. Take a plunger here, this way. Try to use a plastic one, do not use metal. Put it aside. Now let's switch it on and check if the fan is rotating or not. The fan is not rotating, so let me check if we are getting voltage. So turn it on and let's see. There is 5 volts to the fan, but fan is not rotating. It means fan has failed. Let me check. First of all, let me disconnect the battery. See that none of the screws fall on the main board. Take a screwdriver that has magnetic power, a magnetized screwdriver. Keep the battery aside. Now disconnect this cable. Someone has tried to remove it already. It is broken. Take the new fan. This is the old one, and this is new. Here, as the old one was broken, here there is some residue of that. This is the new fan, exactly in the groove here. The color of the cable should be same, old and new. check the battery. Now connect the adapter. Press the power key. You see the fan is rotating. As we had removed the battery, it will ask for setup. So I just enter. It's good. So once it boots up, I'll shut it down and fix the back cover. Let's fix the back cover. Check it. Two black screws here on the right, the other on the left. One screw here, the lengthy one, white screw, chrome color screw. So now let's switch it on and check once again. As you see, HP logo is good. It's booting up. Earlier there was error. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the fan error of your HP laptop. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.